Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add multiple photos to Instagram story. Here's how to find and use it to share multiple pics in one sweet full screen story design. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then, select Story. This will open your camera roll, but don't be distracted by all your beautiful photos. We need to activate Create Mode first. Tap on the camera icon to do this. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of icons. Tap the third from the top, a square with lines in it. This is the layout icon. Tapping the layout icon will open up a quadrant of layout on your screen. From here, you can fill each segment either with a fresh photo or something from your camera roll. Option 1. Take a photo. To capture a photo, just tap the photo capture button, the white circle in the center of the bottom of the screen. Once you take a photo, your picture will fill the top left corner shot. Continue shooting 3 more photos. To delete something and take a new picture, tap the photo and then tap the delete icon. Option 2. Select from your camera roll. Tap the square camera roll preview icon on the bottom left corner. Then tap the photo you wish to be in the top left of the quadrant. Repeat until the screen has 4 photos. To delete something and take a new picture, tap the photo and tap the delete icon. Hit the check mark to confirm and move on the stickers, text, or effects. Now, tap the check mark again to approve your design. Tap the arrow in the bottom right corner when you're ready to publish. And now, choose your preferred audience for your masterpiece and tap share. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.